The reason why we are the best consulting group when it comes to digital transformation is the fact that we give from our gifts. We are human-centric. We focus on what is the target of the project. We focus on what the customer requirement looks like. In several occasions, we have been part of projects for our clients, and we've been supporting them and working with them so hard in their digital transformation consulting journey or in their ERP project or HCM project. One thing keeps coming to our side is we look at the technology companies, and they are always focusing on the tool, not on the what, not on how. And that is where the real gap between technology and business happens. I've been talking to a CFO for a group of companies. It's quite a big company and they have a quite good business. They got a business, these guys. He said, Bahad, there's a real problem. I'm not finding one company who can be helping us in these multiple industries. So either I find a company very specialized in construction or in this industry or in that industry. And his biggest concern was the change management. I mentioned to him that you need to split that particular program into hiring a digital transformation consulting firm and getting a company like Titanium and Titanium team to help you out, setting up your strategy, setting up your roadmap, execute with you the project, revise your business processes, the way how you're going to be executing things and how the business process is going to happen going forward. But when it comes to the other side of it, who's going to implement? It doesn't matter if you want to hire Titanium technology arm or you want to do a granular level with our Zoho offering with Titanium Labs, and our team in Titanium Labs will help you out. But the reality is still the same. We gonna help you first in doing the business consulting, strategy, business processes, how it will be executed, governance and control around that. Then we bring the technology. Then we look at the implementation partner. Then we look at which product you need to buy. Either you are looking for an Oracle product as what we offer, or Zoho in Titanium Labs offering, or looking at InfraSpeak as a facility management or Salesforce as a CRM. And that's basically where we come to the real picture. We try to understand first what exactly you are looking to achieve, what you are aiming to achieve. Second reason why Titanium is #1 digital transformation consulting firm, we have been consulting for 20 years for various industries around the globe, from Australia and Perth to Sydney, to Middle East, to India, to Nigeria, to Ivory Coast, to Ethiopia, and the beloved country of South Africa.